Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have a beautiful char seng pan with me today. This is table size, about 700 gram. Just nice for a small family of 4 or 5. Of course, together with other dishes. So what I did here, I'm going to steam it today. Beautiful. I think I bought 3-4 pieces this month. So I make few slits on fish body after I wash it, and make sure you clean the fish kidney thoroughly. This is the middle part here. There are some blood stain. Try to remove the blood stain as much as possible. That is fish kidney, the source of fishiness. Then make few slits on the fish body like this. And I put 1 ginger at the bottom to raise the fish up a little bit, and few other pieces on top. And we shall marinate it with a bit of fine salt. Alright, so preheat your steamer. Then I'm going to put in the fish. I'm actually steaming two things at the same time. Let me see if I can put in the fish and the prawn together. Can, no problem. But the prawn only around 4 minutes. The fish will be 10 minutes. Alright, now this is completing the 10 minutes. You can see the beautiful whitish. You can see the beautiful whitish fish. Let me show you. See how beautiful it is. Right, so here's the fish. I'm going to very quickly make a very simple steamed fish sauce. Some hot water, some premium light soy sauce. Oops. Some fried garlic oil. I think I'm finishing oil already. Here we can bungee the fish with this sauce. I don't mind giving a little bit more fried garlic, and it's done. Right? So that's how simple to steam grouper at home. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Bye bye.